Imagine a life full of energy, vitality, and health. It's possible with a few key lifestyle habits. First, incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week for cardiovascular health and mood enhancement. Next, nourish your body with a balanced diet. Opt for nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive salt. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Aim for around 8 glasses of water per day, crucial for maintaining bodily functions and flushing out toxins. Don't skimp on sleep. 7 to 9 hours per night allows your body to rest, repair, and recharge. Manage stress with relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Regular health screenings are also key to catching any potential issues early. Invest in social connections. They're not just fun, they're essential for mental health and overall well-being. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to hunger cues, eat slowly, and savor your food. Limit alcohol and tobacco. They can have detrimental effects on health. Finally, develop healthy coping mechanisms. Journaling, engaging in hobbies, or seeking support from loved ones can all help. Remember, a healthy life is a happy life.